getting out of the way, aren't you? Because you know what I'm going to be doing. Right, today, hopefully, we'll be ripping out all the top of that behind the piping. See what's behind there. Pulling out all these bits of wood that were holding together the kitchen cupboards, which hid all this stuff. And behind there's a flue. So I've got to get in the attic and knock down the chimney. So I've got to make a hole at the bottom first so I can chuck it down. And there's a cupboard in there behind that, so I'm leaving that bit for now. What else have I got to do? Ooh, that's a nice kitchen island. Pallet wood top. Frame was Eleanor's baby changing table. And the shelving was my old futon bed slats. Paid £4 for some wheels. So roll is about and so you can just roll it on its wheels. Swish in it. Alright, for upcycled pallet wood. So now we've got the work surface now to rip all the surfaces out. That's going to be ripped out next after we've done that. It's a big job. Behind there's a little cupboard. Cupboard. Stairs. Landing. Obviously up to this point here. That cupboard's coming out. We're going to make 2 big pantries, or a big open space basically. Make it all have a side entrance into the pantry to get bits, tins and stuff, I suppose. Yeah, got to find somewhere to put all these electrics and stuff, so big job. Boiler's got to be moved in there, got to plaster it. Yeah, it's not a week job, it's going to take a good few months of me doing it. Doggos in September. Enjoy your Saturday.